money-making projects to share with you today about how to create videos with AI, how to make money from home. We now see this channel just posting these videos sharing the product. You can make a lot of money through YouTube. We saw that this video he posted for days ago had 1.4 million views. This was released for weeks ago and has 1.6 million views. Isn't it unbelievable? What he posted was just some sharing of using the product or a review of a product. These videos have received such a high number of views. He can earn $20,000 per month through YouTube, advertising revenue of $240,000 a year. This is just advertising revenue alone. If he shares the link through the product, partnering with Amazon's affiliates, he earned a second passive income. In other words, he can earn profit sharing in the Amazon Alliance, up to 20% profit. The profit sharing for each product is of course different. Today I will share with you video on how to make these comments. No need to take video. There is no need for a real person like him to show his face. You can also make product sharing videos like this. Turn money from YouTube. And in the process of sharing, I will talk about some creative techniques. It may be different from other videos. And I will also share a men's welfare channel, by the way. It's a channel that men will like. Let's start today's sharing now. Of course, if we want to make high profits from recommended products, as can be seen from this table. This is the profit sharing table that Amazon gives to our promoters. If it's luxury goods or beauty products, its profit sharing reaches 10%. For example, if you choose some luxury goods, a Rolex watch product, as you can see from this product, if we do a simple calculation, if he sells this product, up to 10% profit sharing, you can earn more than $1,400 from one order. If it is a 4% share, he was also able to make a profit of $599. So the profits are very generous. These luxury goods, I think it's a very good product. Of course, it can also be based on your own preferences. Go choose different products to share. After finding this product, I will write a comment how to create an original copy to introduce this product. We just need to put the link to the product. Copy it. We come to the AI toolbox. Then look for this icon Hagen. This is a website where you can create videos with AI narration. Of course, we need to register an account. After entering the website, let's create an AI copywriter. For example, I clicked on the function of AI copywriting. Paste the link to the product you just mentioned directly here. Then we only need one button. It can write an evaluation of this product. We just need to click to create a video. You can see the result of this creation immediately. You can also use the chat function here. Let's rewrite a piece of content. You can replace this content with the previous one. We see there is an AI pronunciation here on the right. Here you can choose the language of different countries. Then you choose male or female. Young people can choose. Choose according to different age groups. Then we can do this AI character. Can make changes. If you want to change an AI character, just click to replace it, and you can zoom in on this character, or make a round figure like this for introduction. So, is it very convenient? Of course, we have to upload some product pictures. Here we introduce the product of this Rolex watch. You can use screenshot software. Take a screenshot of this content. Let's take these pictures of these tables. You can enlarge it by right-clicking on these pictures. You need to right-click to save it. You can see save all this image. Gotta upload all these pictures. Let's click on the picture we just uploaded. Put in your video. You can see that this avatar is blocking the watch. So we can move it over to the right. Every time I introduce you a piece of content, you can bring this picture in. You can also use these pictures. Add them all to your video. We now see that its background color is white. We can use different colors of background. You can click on the bottom of it here to change the background. Then click on this white dot. You can change the background to a different color. You can also click here to upload. Upload your favorite picture background here. Or you can use these background pictures that come with his website. We see here we have some of this background image. For example, I want to like this background. Click here to view this picture. Set as background. our same method. You can set more backgrounds to render it more beautiful. He must export this video to this website to be able to see some actions explained by this real person. This is a paid software, but don't worry. The second software we share today is free. It is also an AI creation software. This software, it can also create AI videos, and we can use this AI to create comments. This tool is free of charge. Then we can use this function. Can help you save money and make AI videos. My channel homepage shares things like AI creations and money-making projects. I'm Timmy. You can subscribe and like my videos. This is CapCut, this free creative tool. Tool is completely free to use. Next, let's create a video. Click this to create a video. Then we choose a 16:9 ratio. Then we select the third button instruments on the left. Then we chose AI checker. Select more. These are AI robots. Can help us explain the content. Then we just need to click on this AI robot. You can see it is loading here. Let's copy the link to this product just now. I need to write a copy through this website just now. Then we copy his copywriting content. After copying the content of the first paragraph, we can copy this content and come to this website. Then click on the tool with AI on the right. Paste what you just created here. It is limited to 1,000 characters. That is, it cannot exceed this character. We can continue to copy this second paragraph. Paste it in detail. We continue. You can copy this content. You can see that there are 997 characters. It's enough. Let's choose a different AI pronunciation. We can come and listen.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about the role.
The pronunciation of these is very intelligent and very real. I choose the second pronunciation. Then we just need to click Select Apply All. Then click to continue generating. Here you see that it has been generated, and we can also preview its effect.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about the Rolex Deep Sea Black Dial.
Very vivid explanation of the picture. We can upload these pictures just now to this software. We click the media button at the top. Upload all these pictures. Now we just need to make this image bigger because the avatar of the video is below the picture. So we can take this real person, drag it above, turn the picture into the bottom of the video. You can adjust this character at will. Also resize this character and the length of this video's explanation. You can adjust it because we are given the second picture. Now let's go ahead and drag in all these products. The bottom of the video is black. We can give different backgrounds instead. See some different picture backgrounds to choose from to replace. Then you can apply to all. You used pure color for this background. You can also according to your own preferences. Then you can export the video in the upper right corner of the website. Of course, we can also add some background music. See, there's a music library here. There are a lot of choices for this music here because I searched for pure music. Add pure music to your videos.
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about the Rolex Deep Sea Black Dial Automatic Men's Stainless Steel Oyster. Watch.
When exporting the video, we choose the highest pixel of the video to be 1080p. Then we export this video. This is completely free and does not have any watermarks. We see there is a welfare channel for men here. You can find this channel by searching for Angie Bikini. We can upload the video we have made. Then we can search for Rolex on YouTube using the tool TubeBuddy. The search volume for this product is very high, with more than 64 million searches. But the competition for keywords is very high. You can choose from a lot of them here, which are a little less competitive. For example, here is a watch or a lower keyword. You can see this is a very good keyword. 920,000 search volume is a very good keyword. You can find many keywords here. Optimize your titles and keywords accordingly. In this way, you can get very good search volume and video playback volume. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.